giving me his first. It was some kind of paperwork he was holding up. Man, he wasn't budging. So I had to go ahead and give up the 30 to him so that he can get involved.
I just realized this nigga had been talking the whole time. The other nigga ain't said a word. Live. Alrighty. Damn, I come up here or nothing. All right. We are finna get to it. So we're rejecting off this 4-hour trend line. Right underneath this 4-hour level. Very high chance that those are going to be in for the day again. I think we're gonna get a bearish day. We just tapped right into this level right here. This nice little order block. So I would love to see price start to flip down. That's what I'm looking for today. I'm looking for a nice little sell-off. See if we can catch anything of that nature. So we're gonna go ahead and get our orb. Showing out. We got the 9:30 open candle right here. Boom. Boom. And boom. We're still trading underneath the midline. We did test above it a little bit. Got 5 minute. Oh, we got a 5-minute closure above the midline. Let's see what happens here. Got 2 minutes left on this current 4-hour candle. Let's start a new 4-hour candle. do anticipate over. All right. So as I've been saying, we are anticipating sells today, but we're waiting on a breakout. So sells underneath the breakout of this level, potentially down to test this level, or maybe further. If we start to break above, I would need to see a breakout and come back and retest before we can start taking the buys. We got two levels of resistance. There's a lot of resistance right here. So just a clean breakout of the top, it's a little tricky. It's a little tricky. So we're waiting on this breakout to the downside. It's not like I'm up. Hold on. It's acting like I'm up, which I ended the day down yesterday. So that's interesting. Refresh. That's very interesting. Huh. Huh. It's interesting, but it's also a little inaccurate. The fact that it's acting like we can't load on the statistics is a little odd too. Oh, damn, I should have never shown that. Wow, something's off. I want to pull up. There's Top Step. Let's go to Top Step TV, see what they talking about right now.
What would be the next level of support that you're seeing? I mean, how much lower would it be?
They in
Possibly
sales on
like
MQ right now.
795. There's some room.
Oh no, they're in. Are they in ES
There
sales?
is.
Okay. Either way, I got my sell coming.
It's a good model, especially going power hour tomorrow. Hold on to your butts.
Oh, yeah, all the options.
Yes, $1 trillion of options.
Good.
No, I mean the notional value.
Right.
It gets a little weird, but there's I think the correct term is like a metric butt ton of options that are expansion tomorrow.
Are you adding to that short right now? So,
No, I'm actually covering, kind of selling off slowly into this level. I'm gonna cover it and look to re-enter about 190. If we get that on a pop, I'll re-enter. Straight.
They're not talking about anything related to Top Step. They're just trading. I think I'm going to be taking a entry off of this next 5, maybe even the next 3-minute candle. See if we can. I really want to see if we can buy. I need to see. This is an order block that has to be broken. This is a key level. We gotta get through here. Because we're respecting this level currently. This price can, from right here, price can flip and start pushing back up. So this is like the first. Hold on. It's 40K a month in profit selling hot dogs on the street. Where? I'm gonna go sell that shop right next to their ass. What's going on? How they making so much money selling hot dogs? 40K a month on the street? Alright. We're about to take a sell tip here. We're gonna go lower risk today. Just what's today? Yeah, we're ending the year. My my main objective isn't necessarily passing this prop firm account by December. I want to, but in the month of January, I definitely want to pass this eval, this current one that we're working. So we're gonna take it slow, nice and easy, light risk. Honestly, if we could just make a couple hundred, a few $100 today, get in, get out, be done. That's it. We ain't trying to kill the market. Very dangerous right here too, though. Very dangerous. Me taking an entry on the break is like a fucking setup. Gotta be very careful here. Close bearish, so we haven't started to make a low here, so we still are closing bearish. I think we're gonna get our push out here. See if Top Step's gonna fuck up on my entry today. Not been a good week for Top Step. 2 days of fucking up trading. Gonna grab me some water. Paper plane. See, what's happening right now is exactly why you wait for your confirmations. I hate that. Hey, Dan, for some reason, I fucking be on that shit way too much. The price ranging. Prices ranging. Look at price. Look at this consolidation. It's top to bottom, top to bottom. All right. So while we're waiting on that, let's see what gold is looking like right now. You know what I don't like? I feel like simply to I feel like there's no way for me to add favorites to this, and that's what I don't like about Top Steps chart so far. Why can't I add favorites, or it should be a more user-friendly way for me to just do it, because I was looking hard when I first started using this shit. I was looking hard, and I can never find where the hell I can add like a favorite spot, like a watch list or something. All right, zoom out. We are retesting the all-time highs at the moment. Retesting these all-time highs. Yeah. We might be getting a break to all-time highs today. Got a nice little wedge forming. Nice little wedge forming here. Let's see, 4 hours too. Let's have a look on the hourly. Nice little wedge forming. This one is going to go straight from down here. Nice little wedge there. Honestly, a breakout in either direction of this is a nice trade. This is the 4 hour chart. We're getting in to like a 15-minute chart. And like if this shit move, you can snag a nice move here. So I'm gonna be watching gold. I haven't traded gold in a long time. I've been mainly focused on NAVs on NQ, but I definitely kind of like that we're getting forced into this 4 hour wedge right here. I think a breakout is definitely coming. And since looks like we're making higher lows here, higher lows, we haven't really broken a high, but once we get a break of a high, man, I would definitely jump in here and start trailing stops. So I'm gonna keep my eye on gold. definitely going to be keeping my eye on gold because when we started this minor time frame, we started coming down here, we're making lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. And we broke up at a higher high. So let's see what we can do here. Looks like we're getting a little bit of shift back up. I don't know. Like there's some bullish action here on gold today. That's what we looking like. Let's see what this weekly candle's looking like. Oh, look at that. Daily, let's go daily. Oh man. Primed and ready to go for a bullish break. Primed and ready to go. Yeah, I'm definitely watching this for a bullish breakout here. 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour candle. Yeah, I'm watching this for a bullish breakout for sure. For sure, I'm watching this. Okay, let's go back over to. Another fucking chart. Chart. Why can't it? Why don't I say where I can add another chart? I don't like the way this shit works. What was I gonna do? New pain? Can I do that? What's that mean? What the fuck is this? What is happening right now? What do you see? I don't know what this. I don't know what this is doing. New pain. I don't know what this is doing. But fuck it. Okay. Oh no! Take that shit the fuck on. Okay, that's not what I want to do. I just want to go. Let's go back to. Well, it looks like it's getting ready to make that move, but we're on a 4 hour candle, so gold looks like it's ready to do it, man. I wish there was an easier way for me to toggle back and forth between these two. Look at him, she testing the top of this range right here. Wow. Bull move. We're gonna 4 hour chart. We got a bottom wick. Oh yeah, nice 4 hour bottom wick there too. Okay.
Order filled.
Good and aggressive undergrading. We're gonna go ahead and try to trim this as much as possible. Taking risk off the table here as fast as possible. As soon as we get a 1 minute close, that gives me enough space to trail the stop. We're trailing. Looks like we're getting it. I think we're just gonna go ahead and go break even here. I don't want this to whiplash back on me, so go ahead and secure it. This whiplash back, we're out with the dog. I don't want to see this whiplash back. I want to see a nice push here. 3, 2, 1, candle. We break these highs. We're gonna take another push up. I don't want this to whiplash back. This could whiplash right back into the zone. Yeah, stuff. So yeah, I thought we were gonna get whiplash here. Let's secure a little more. Up 120, keep pushing, 11 seconds, 10 seconds. Probably trailing way too aggressively here. Let me zoom out, see if we can get a bigger picture. Yeah, I think I might be trailing too aggressive here. I think we got some space to play. Let's see. Let's see if we can just get a push away. We're not. This is where I'm gonna hold my trail right here. If we don't get stopped out, then I'm gonna hold it here until we get like maybe a 5-minute place the trail to stop at. Yeah, I want to see it create a little bit more push. Yeah, we'll keep watching this. We'll monitor this on the 3-minute. Hopefully, we don't get too much volatility and too much whiplash action, and we don't get stopped out of the trade. So far, we're looking pretty good, though. Wow. Strong whiplash pushback. Oh, real strong there. But I like it for a night. I think we can get that continuation here. So pull back on the 5-minute. We should be able to get that push up now. Continuation. That just kind of filled that gap right here. Now I really don't have a reason to come back unless it's just about to, unless it was a fake out. I'm about to push back down. Honestly, if that's the case, we're gonna go ahead for a little tighter. Lock in. I really would like to lock in the 1-for-1. So if we can get a nice strong push here to where I can lock in that 250, that would be really good. But 3, 3, 2, 1. Come on, push up, push up, push up. Keep breaking these highs. Break the highs. Beautiful. Beautiful. The 250's locked. 250's locked. So we got the 1-for-1 on the day. So I'm cool now with that. See how much more we can secure here. I want to see this flip it also. We're here. 360, floating 360. We floating 400 in profit, really. We're feeling tight because I feel like we can react off of this level. This green line here can be a reaction, and we're gonna lock in what we can lock in. So we got 400 locked in on the day. Honestly, that's a good day for me. We're done. I feel like we're done. I ain't taking another trade after this. If I can't get more than 400, I'm taking that. Oh. Push through. Come on, let's get the breakthrough. Come on.
Order filled.
All right, cool. 435 on the day. It's not an amazing day, it's nothing to write home about, but it's a green positive day. We are currently, our target is 9,000. So we are, what the hell is 500? Excuse me. Google, so the chat GPT. Hey, chat.
Hey there. Great to have you back.
Hey, it's been a little while. What percent of 9,000 is $568?
Absolutely. Let's do that quick bit of math. So if you want to find out what percent of 9,000 is 568, you basically divide 568 by 9,000 and then multiply by 100. And that works out to about 6.31%. So roughly 6.3%.
That's not the number I was looking for. Clear. 900 divided by 568 equals times. I'm not sure. I was supposed to move that parenthesis over. It's like 15%. Yeah, it was clear. If I do 568 times 15 equals, 15% of the way there. 15% of the way there. Still got some ways to go, but got a nice little win for the day. We're in, we're out, and we're done. Salute to y'all. I'm gonna go paint some shit.